So to the public, I am sorry that you got to see that very intimate side of me. Ganun talaga ako pag nagbigay ng pagmamahal.
Umiiyak na humarap sa media ang aktres na si Maris Racal. 3 araw makalipas kumalat ang viral screenshots ng intimate conversation nila ng ka-love team niyang si Anthony Jennings, na inilabas ng ex-girlfriend ng aktor na si Jam Villanueva. Buo ang paninindigan ni Maris na hindi niya alam ang buong katotohanan. Ayon kay Maris, bago pa man mabuo ang kanilang relasyon ni Anthony, malinaw na sinabi sa kanya ng aktor na hiwalay na ito kay Jam. Dagdag pa ni Maris, I would ask him. God knows I asked him. Nagkabalikan ba kayo? He said no. You still love her? He said no. Noong June 2024, inamin ni Maris na nagsimula na siyang magkagusto kay Anthony, dahilan upang tapusin niya ang relasyon nila ng kanyang dating nobyo na si Rico Blanco. Unti-unting lumalim ang kanilang pagtitinginan habang nagkakasama sila sa trabaho. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat, patuloy niyang hinihikayat si Anthony na gawing opisyal na ang hiwalayan nito kay Jam. Many times I begged for his statement. I begged him to fix the things. He said wait, he's waiting for the right moment, pahayag ni Maris. Ngunit nagbago ang lahat nitong December 3 nang mabasa niya ang mga screenshots na ibinahagi ni Jam. Doon niya napagtanto na hindi pa pala tuluyang tapos ang relasyon ni Anthony at Jam habang sila ni Anthony ay nagkakapalagayan na ng loob. Doon ko napagtahi-tahi lahat. I didn't know. I was in the dark. Ayon kay Maris. Sa kanyang pahayag, humingi ng tawad si Maris sa publiko dahil sa mga nangyari. Anya, I don't wanna play victim here. Nagkamali din talaga ako. And I want to say sorry to those people I have hurt. I reached out to Jam, but I did not get a reply. Dagdag pa niya, nahihirapan siyang harapin ang sitwasyon ngayon at sinabing, whenever I go out, whenever I walk, I feel like a woman naked. I'm so embarrassed. Sa kabila ng pag-iyak ni Maris sa harap ng publiko ay hindi kumbinsido ang netizens sa kanyang mga paliwanag. Narito ang reaksyon ng netizens. This whole apology video is not about being sorry. This is to save her career and to throw the hate kay Anthony. The narrative here is, I'm doing this video to save my career. Single, but you were asking him to delete convo and there was a time you asked him, how is Jam? No sincerity at all. She's just sorry because she got caught. You're not sorry for cheating. You're just sorry because you got caught to save your reputation and your career. Is this method acting, Maris? Apologizing to the public but ignoring those who were hurt doesn't feel genuine. This just sounds like damage control. Sa kasalukuyan ay nag-deactivate na si Maris ng kanyang Facebook page at naka-off na rin ang comment section ng kanyang Instagram. Ano ang opinion ninyo tungkol dito? Share your thoughts below.
I would ask him. God knows I asked him. Nagkabalikan ba kayo? He said no. Did you still love her? He said no. He would say things na ako yung gusto niya and all. I really asked him. So to the public, I am sorry that you got to see that very intimate side of me. Ganun talaga ako pag nagbigay ng pagmamahal.